Here's a 1970s classic at Unique Specialty and Classics, and it is a cruiser. Take a look at this, 1975 Buick Electra 225 or deuce and a quarter, 4-door hardtop, original color of burgundy, paint code number 74 with the white vinyl top. That is the way this car would have came new back in 1975. 455 V8 power underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 400 to be exact. Let's take a look at the front grille, headlight, surrounds, bumper. They're missing one of the bumperette rubbers. A bit of wear there on the end. Power steering, power brakes, AC, of course, on this nicely loaded Buick. Take a look at the still pictures. You'll be able to see underneath the hood, engine bay, interior, undersides, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. If you're seeing it on YouTube, that's going to take you right to our website where you can see all the still pictures. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Correct wheel covers, white wall radial tires. Now, as far as the paint on this car, it does show its age some. I mean, there's kind of some late staining in it. I don't know if you can see that. And I'll point out some things. Paint's not perfect on it. See a car, get in, drive, have some fun. You know how nice these goes down the road. Also, when you look at the undersides, you're going to see some scaling underneath there. Solid pans, frame and everything. It's just surface scaling on the metal. And go ahead and take a look at the underside pictures. A lot of those on our website also, as well as we do with any of the cars. Get a look at the passenger side. Interior, the cloth interior fabric bench seat up front. Nice shape, as well as the rear. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let you hear it run. You stick around to the very end of this video. We're going to take this car down the road too, take it for a drive, show you how it drives out. Going to take you for a virtual ride, if you will. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Here you can see the paint and spots too, showing its age a little, as well as the trunk. This vehicle was with the previous owner for the past 33 years, since 1991. Let's check out these filler panels in the back. I want to show you that. So that driver's side one looks good. Let's come around to the rest of the rear of the car. Take a look at the chrome in the bumper. Filler panel on this side. Also looking good. Little scuff here. UniqueClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. And if you're into 70s muscle cars, say, or maybe street rods, hot rods, maybe you like trucks, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through that is offered for sale, and you'll see a video of it. But just like checking out cars, cool YouTube channel to subscribe to. Let's take a look down this driver's side, and you can see on the lower portions, and you'll be able to see this in the underside pics too. There's some light rock chipping on the bottom of the doors again, chipping in the paint. But let's go ahead and fire it up. See how this sounds. We'll take a look underneath the hood. Armrest has had a little repair work to it, you might say. Power windows. Tilt column. I have had the AM radio working, also had the wipers working. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Take a look at the top of the dash. Appears this car was stored indoors. That dash is in pretty nice shape for 1975 Buick or GM product. Odometer reads 69,510. I can't confirm or deny that being original miles, because once the car is a certain age, it does not stay on the title. It's marked exempt. Would it surprise me if that's the original miles on it, judging by the seats? No. All right. How about the headliner? Take a peek at that quick. Headliner looks good. I guess it sounds as you'd expect. Of course, 455, actually pretty quiet, this Buick. Good muffler on it. Valve cover gaskets are new, by the way, as well as the rear brake shoes are like new, fresh oil change. So again, get in, turn the key, and go, have some fun. I'm going to pause this a second, take a look underneath the hood, and remember, stick around to the very end of the video. We're going to take this car for a drive. There we go, the hood open, underside of the hood, hood liner. Get a look at that. Looks like it's all intact. There it is. 455 V8 power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does not have the belt on the pulley though, so that would need a little attention. Still R12 also. That looks like a new battery, as well as battery disconnect. I'd say that thing runs pretty smooth. Sounds good too. 1975 Buick Electra 225 4-door hardtop. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. 507-386-1726, number to call. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Here we have a 1975 Buick Electra 225. If you're looking for that luxurious Buick ride, this would be one of those cars. Comfortable, smooth riding car, smooth acceleration from that automatic transmission. There's a column shift automatic. Accelerates as you would expect for a 75 Buick.
On the left side, wall for 3.
Radio is working well. Blower motor works. Factory horn is working. One of those perfect road tripping cars. Maybe you've even done a road trip in a car like this. Bring back some memories. Really, but for the tape on the driver's armrest on the door, nice interior. Really clean and good, pretty good shape. One crack up here in the dash. Comfortable bench seating. Of course, power brakes, power steering, and the power brakes are working really well. Quiet ride. Leans just enough in the corner to remind you it's a nice big 70s model car, but it corners well. The kickdown is working on that automatic transmission. Speedometer working very well. Fuel gauge is showing just a little above empty. That's probably accurate. Effortless steering. If I let go of the wheel, it stays nice and straight. This car is ready for a nice long road trip. Learn about this Buick and check out all the pictures at UniqueClassicCars.com.